Hello, welcome back to my daily uploads. Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharifah. Forgive me if you've seen this outfit somewhere. Yes, but my name is Sharifah. If it's your first time here, please join the family by subscribing, and if you love this video, of course, why not give it a very big thumbs up. And mainly, if there is anything that you want to share with me, please leave it under the comment section down below. But today I'm going to help you understand the type of acne that you're having. Let's get into the purpose of this video. The type of acne that we are going to look at is non-inflamed acne. Non-inflamed acne, they are caused by clogged pores and they tend to develop on the surface of the skin. And yes, they are always most likely to be less painful and less likely to scar, and also whiteheads, blackheads. Yeah, so this is the type of acne that if you have, like, when they develop on the skin, when they go away, most of the times they don't leave out scars. Yes, I don't want to make this thing complicated because someone is going to ask me what are pimples, and pimples, it's going to be another video for that because I really want this video to be very short. So let's get into acne type number 2. These are inflamed acne. They are caused by deeply clogged pores. They are painful. When they disappear, they leave out scars, they leave you with blackheads, they leave you sometimes with whiteheads, and when you're trying to pick them, it will be your worst nightmare. These are the type of acne, inflamed acne. These are the type of acne that you wouldn't want to mess with. Yeah, so how do you get to know that the type of acne that I'm having on my skin is non-inflamed or inflamed? As I had told you earlier, that non-inflamed, they are deeply caused by bacteria and they are deeply clogged. Are you getting me? Then non-inflamed acne, they come, when they go where they don't leave any mark, like, yeah, they came to visit. They will go and they are less likely to leave a scar on your face. Yes, so hope at least today I've made it so simple for you to understand. Let's meet into another video. Please welcome back home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my videos. I don't want you to miss any of my videos. Stay blessed. Bye bye.